Okay, so for the last step of this problem, we're going to go through and find the matrix exponential given the 3 p's and the 3 r's that we found earlier in the problem-solving process. So our e to the at is going to have our e to the negative t times 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, plus a t e to the negative t times the matrix 0, 0, 0, negative 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2, 4, negative 2, and then a 1/2 t squared times the 0 matrix. All right, so now we're going to go through and multiply the exponentials into the matrices and add the matrices together to get one common matrix. All right, so when we add these together, we're going to have a 1 times e to the negative t, a 0 and a 0 for the next, and then the next entry is all zeros, so therefore it's going to be a 0 there, and then the third entry is 0 as well. In the next middle row, we have a 0 from the first, negative t e to the negative t for the middle one, and then 0 from the last. And then for the middle term, we're going to pick up two terms. We're going to have an e to the negative t, and then a 2t e to the negative t. And then for the last entry, we have a 0, a negative t e to the negative t, and a 0. And then finally for the bottom row, pick up a 0 in the first, a negative 2 e to the negative t here, and a 0 back there. In the middle, we got a 0 in the first, a 4 in the middle, so that's a 4t e to the negative t. And then for the last, we've got a 1 e to the negative t, and then a minus 2t e to the negative t. All right, so again, that is our matrix exponential right there. And then for the last step, we can now go in and write down our general solution. So our y of t is going to have a c1 times the first column, which is e to the negative t e to the negative t, and a negative 2 e to the negative t, plus a second arbitrary constant c2 times 0 e to the negative t plus 2t e to the negative t. And then finally, we're going to have down here a 4t e to the negative t, and then a third constant c3 times 0 negative t e to the negative t, and then e to the negative t minus 2t e to the negative t. And that right there is the general solution for the matrix problem, y prime equals a times y.